Eating these 8 common plant-based foods could be silently harming your kidneys without you even realizing it. Stay tuned to find out which ones to avoid. Did you know that some plant-based foods can actually harm your kidneys? In this video, we'll uncover the 8 plant-based foods that can be detrimental to your kidneys. Number 1. Bran cereals, bran flakes. Bran cereals and flakes are often considered a healthy breakfast choice, but for individuals with kidney disease, they can pose a significant risk. These whole grain products are high in phosphorus and potassium, 2 minerals that can accumulate in the body when kidney function is impaired. The bran itself is the main culprit, as it contains concentrated amounts of these minerals. Consuming bran cereals or flakes can lead to a buildup of phosphorus and potassium in the blood, which can cause serious complications such as bone disease, muscle weakness, and irregular heart rhythms. People with kidney disease are advised to limit or avoid bran-based cereals and opt for lower phosphorus and potassium alternatives like cornflakes or rice cereals instead. Number 2. Dark-colored soda. Dark-colored sodas, such as colas, pose a unique threat to individuals with kidney disease. These beverages often contain phosphoric acid as an additive, which enhances flavor and prevents discoloration. However, this additive is highly absorbable by the body and can contribute to a dangerous buildup of phosphorus in the blood. Additionally, dark sodas are typically high in sugar, which provides empty calories without any nutritional value. Consuming these sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, obesity, and further strain on the kidneys. People with kidney disease are strongly advised to avoid dark-colored sodas and instead choose water, unsweetened tea, or low-calorie, non-carbonated beverages. Number 3. Frozen meals, pizza, hamburgers. Frozen meals, particularly those like pizza and hamburgers, can be detrimental to kidney health for several reasons. These processed foods are often high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and further damage to the kidneys. They may also contain phosphate additives, which can lead to a buildup of phosphorus in the blood. Additionally, frozen meals are typically high in saturated fat and calories, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity, both of which are risk factors for kidney disease. While frozen meals can be convenient, it is important for individuals with kidney disease to carefully read labels, choose lower sodium options, and limit their consumption of these processed foods. Number 4. Canned foods. Canned foods are often convenient and affordable, making them a staple in many households. However, their impact on kidney health can be concerning due to several factors. One of the primary concerns with canned foods is their high sodium content. In addition to sodium, canned foods often contain various additives and preservatives, such as phosphates. These compounds are used to improve texture and prevent spoilage. While phosphates are naturally occurring and essential for health, an excess intake, especially from processed foods, can be harmful to the kidneys. Another issue with canned foods is the presence of bisphenol A, BPA, a chemical used in the lining of many cans. BPA can leach into the food, particularly when the cans are heated or the food is acidic. Research has suggested that BPA exposure may have various health effects, including potential negative impacts on the kidneys. Number 5. Brown rice. Brown rice is often touted as a healthier alternative to white rice, but for individuals with kidney disease, it can pose some risks. Brown rice is higher in phosphorus and potassium compared to white rice. This is because the bran and germ, which are removed in the processing of white rice, contain concentrated amounts of these minerals. A buildup of phosphorus and potassium in the blood can lead to serious complications for those with kidney disease, such as bone disease and irregular heart rhythms. While brown rice is a nutritious choice for many, people with kidney disease may need to limit their intake or opt for lower phosphorus and potassium alternatives like white rice or other grains like bulgur or couscous. Number 6. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is generally considered a healthier choice compared to white bread, but for individuals with kidney disease, it may not be the best option. Whole wheat bread contains more phosphorus and potassium than white bread due to the presence of the bran and germ. These minerals can accumulate in the blood when kidney function is impaired, leading to complications such as bone disease and irregular heart rhythms. While whole wheat bread provides more fiber and nutrients than white bread, people with kidney disease may need to limit their intake or choose lower phosphorus and potassium alternatives like white bread or other grain-based products. Number 7. Pretzels and crackers. Pretzels and crackers are often high in sodium, which can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease. Sodium is a mineral that can contribute to high blood pressure and further damage to the kidneys. Additionally, some varieties of pretzels and crackers may contain phosphate additives, which can lead to a buildup of phosphorus in the blood. For people with kidney disease, it is important to carefully read labels, choose lower sodium options, and limit their consumption of these salty snacks. Alternative snacks that are lower in sodium and phosphorus, such as unsalted nuts or fresh fruits and vegetables, may be better choices. Number 8. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit that are often praised for their health benefits. But for individuals with kidney disease, they can be problematic. Avocados are high in potassium, a mineral that can accumulate in the blood when kidney function is impaired. A buildup of potassium can lead to serious complications such as irregular heart rhythms and muscle weakness. While avocados are a healthy addition to many diets, people with kidney disease may need to limit their intake or choose lower potassium alternatives. If avocados are consumed, it is important to do so in moderation and as part of a kidney-friendly diet. Foods that are good for kidneys. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, can reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. Sweet potatoes are another good option, providing essential vitamins and minerals while being low in potassium, which is important for those with kidney concerns. Including olive oil in your diet can support kidney health due to its anti-inflammatory properties and healthy fats. Additionally, garlic is beneficial, offering antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. Blueberries are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for kidney health. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Blueberries are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them a safe fruit option for those managing kidney disease. Whole grains like quinoa are beneficial for kidney health, offering a good source of protein and fiber while being low in phosphorus. Red bell peppers are also advantageous, providing a rich source of vitamins and antioxidants that support kidney function without high levels of potassium. Next is skinless chicken breast, a lean source of protein that is lower in phosphorus and saturated fat compared to other meats. This makes it a suitable option for individuals with kidney disease who need to manage their protein intake carefully. Chicken breast provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle maintenance and overall health while minimizing the risk of phosphorus overload. Cooking skinless chicken breast can be done in various ways, allowing for versatile meal options that align with kidney-friendly dietary guidelines. Cauliflower is an excellent food choice for kidney health due to its low potassium content and high nutritional value. It is rich in vitamins C and K, as well as folate and fiber, making it a versatile vegetable that can be used in various dishes. One of the key benefits of cauliflower is its ability to serve as a low-potassium substitute for starchy foods like potatoes. Pineapple is a kidney-friendly fruit that is low in potassium and provides important vitamins and anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, onions are a great addition to a kidney-healthy diet, offering antioxidants and nutrients that support overall health without adding extra potassium. In summary, being mindful of the plant-based foods you consume is essential for kidney health. By avoiding foods high in oxalates, purines, sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, you can support your kidneys and overall well-being. You can also check out my other video that talks about 11 fruits that cleanse your kidney fast. CKD. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and turn on the notification bell.